Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Vyapti Curious Minds. Mars has fascinated humans for thousands of years. Its reddish appearance in the night sky earned it the nickname the Red Planet. Today, Mars is one of the most studied planets in our solar system because scientists believe it may become humanity's first home beyond Earth. But can humans really live there? The answer is yes, but only with advanced technology. Mars is not naturally suitable for human life. First, let us understand why Mars is considered a good candidate. A day on Mars lasts 24 hours and 37 minutes, almost the same as a day on Earth. Mars also has seasons because its axis is tilted similarly to Earth's. Scientists have discovered frozen water at the poles and beneath the Martian surface. There is also strong evidence that rivers and lakes existed on Mars billions of years ago, suggesting the planet was once much warmer and wetter. However, living on Mars would be incredibly challenging. The biggest problem is the atmosphere. Mars has an atmosphere, but it is very thin, less than 1% of Earth's atmospheric pressure at the surface. It is made up of about 95% carbon dioxide with only tiny amounts of oxygen. Humans cannot breathe this air, so astronauts would need sealed habitats and spacesuits with their own oxygen supply. Temperature is another challenge. The average temperature on Mars is about minus 63 degrees Celsius, although it can vary from around 20 degrees Celsius near the equator during the warmest part of the day to below minus 100 degrees Celsius at night or near the poles. Such extreme cold would require well insulated buildings and reliable heating systems. Mars also experiences massive dust storms. Some storms cover the entire planet and can last for weeks. These storms reduce sunlight reaching the surface, making it harder for solar panels to generate electricity. Another major concern is radiation. Earth is protected by a strong magnetic field and a thick atmosphere which block much of the harmful radiations from the sun and outer space. Mars has no global magnetic field and only a thin atmosphere, so astronauts would be exposed to much higher radiation levels. Future habitats may need to be built underground or covered with Martian soil to provide protection. Gravity on Mars is only about 38% of Earth's gravity. A person weighing 60 kilograms on Earth would still have the same mass but would weigh about 23 kilograms on Mars. While moving would feel easier, long term exposure to low gravity could weaken bones and muscles, so astronauts would need regular exercise to stay healthy. Food and water are also essential. Scientists believe water ice can be melted and purified for drinking. Plants could be grown inside carefully controlled greenhouse gases using hydroponics, where plants grow without soil. These plants would provide both food and oxygen. Electricity could come from large solar panels or compact nuclear power systems, ensuring a continuous energy supply for homes, laboratories, and life support equipment. In the future, scientists are even discussing terraforming, the idea of changing Mars' environment to make it more like Earth. This could involve warming the planet and creating a thicker atmosphere. However, With today's technology, this would take many centuries or perhaps even longer. So, can human live on Mars? Scientifically, the answer is yes, but only inside specially designed habitats that provide air, water, food, warmth, and protection from radiation. Mars will never be an easy place to live, but continued advances in science and engineering may allow future generations to build permanent settlements on the red planet. Perhaps one day, the first child born on Mars will look up at the sky and see Earth as a bright blue star, the home where humanity's journey began. If you enjoyed this video, please do subscribe our channel. Save Earth, Save Life. Thank you.